We use calendula topically and internally, and the only part that's used medicinally is the flower head, the whole flower head. Calendula's got this really interesting underside here. It's really green and sticky, and those green little structures we call bracts. And so when you're looking for a calendula for medicine, you want it to have a nice, sticky underside. Those beautiful colors in the petals and the flowers are full of antioxidant compounds, flavonoids and related compounds that really help in the prevention of cancer and also inflammation, arthritis, just really all of the good medicinal beneficial qualities of antioxidants. Calendula has a really uplifting energy used to help lift the spirits, and so I will use it in treatment of depression, and then also for folks who get sad during the winter or the long nights. Just really carries that wonderful sunshiny energy of summer and brightness and gladdens the heart.